Hello friends, welcome you all in Angel Broking podcast section. Here we will discuss on commodities and on its important levels for day 23rd June 2020. Yesterday we have noticed that gold prices has made a lifetime high of 48,289 in MCX, and in international market it touched the high of 1763.50 dollar per ounce. Safe haven demand and investment demand provide the support to the gold, and weakness in dollar also supportive for the gold prices. Trade tension between US and China also supportive for the gold prices. For intraday perspective, we are expecting the bullish trend will continue in gold prices. For intraday perspective, gold has a strong support at 47,700, resistance at 48,350. Silver has a strong support at 48,150, resistance at 49,150. So we are recommending buy in gold prices for intraday perspective. However, silver prices are trading on a sideways movement. The trend of silver is still positive, so we are still recommending buy in silver on a support level. Now let's talk about the base metal. Yesterday we have noticed that base metal prices also perform well. Copper increased by 0.32% on the back of some positive outcome from the major economies, resume of the major economies, and also resume of major industrial activities, and also taking cues from the positive global equity market. Copper has a strong support at 446, resistance at 452 for intraday perspective. We are recommending to buy in copper on any dip as the trend is positive, so we are expecting positive trend will continue in copper prices. Now let's talk about crude oil prices. Yesterday we have noticed that crude oil prices were traded on a positive note, almost increased by 0.43% higher, and on international market crude oil prices increased by 2.92% and currently trading around $40.58 per barrel. Increasing demand in crude oil prices and expectation of production cut by the OPEC members supportive for the crude oil prices. For intraday perspective, crude has a strong support at 3000 and resistance at 3100. So we are recommending the same a bullish trend for the crude oil prices. So we recommend to buy in dips for the crude oil prices. International market, it is expected to that crude oil prices may test $42 per barrel very soon. Now if we talk about the agriculture commodities, as expected all agriculture commodities closed on a positive note yesterday. Soybean prices increased by 1.37% and all agriculture commodities perform well. However, spices sector are also closed on a positive note. So for intraday perspective, we are also recommending the same for the agriculture commodities. Our stance for agriculture commodities is positive, so we recommend buy in agri commodities, particular in edible oils and spice sector. We hope that you will be benefited while trading in commodities from this commentary on commodities. So stay with us for more interesting discussions. Thank you.